This video will demonstrate how to test your traffic collision avoidance system with the TCAS. This will require setting up the TCAS outside of the aircraft, and validating the results in the cockpit. To configure the TCAS test, select Tests from the top navigation bar. Under the test list, select TCAS, and then Test Config. From this page, you will need to specify your current testing configuration. Set the coupler or coax loss if you are using a direct connection to the TCAS. And set the distance in feet between the top TCAS antenna and the TCAS. This only applies if the internal or an external antenna is being used. Once the test is configured, navigate to Tests, then TCAS, and select Test. From this page, you can configure the test in various scenarios. Set the target's distance. Select the target's velocity. Note that a negative velocity will move the target toward the aircraft. Set the target's pressure altitude. And select the target's vertical rate. Make sure that if you are using an external antenna or a direct connection that the EANT or DRCT tabs are selected. Otherwise, the test will be conducted using the internal antenna. Note that an antenna coupler should only be attached to the direct connection port. Make sure that if you are using the internal antenna, that the backside of the TCAS is pointed towards the antenna being tested. Once the parameters have been set, select Run. Refer to the aircraft's TCAS display to see if a target appears with the configured characteristics. Note that you can also modify the parameters on the TCAS while the test is running, and the TCAS will react accordingly. The pass-fail criteria will be based on the associated airframe, avionics manufacturer, and regulatory requirements. Once a consistent output is displayed, select Cancel to conclude the test. You should now feel equipped to conduct your own TCAS test with the TCAS.